Hello guys, today I'm teaching you guys how to promote your affiliate links. Multiple ways you can promote your affiliate links and generate huge revenue or income from affiliate marketing. So I'll first start with the paid ways, which is using YouTube ads. I'm pretty sure you've heard about YouTube ads. You've seen YouTube ads on your videos. Basically everybody watches YouTube nowadays, so I'm pretty sure you've seen ads on YouTube. So there's a way you can promote your affiliate links using YouTube ads. You need to just sign up on YouTube, YouTube advertise, no Google Ads.com, create a video campaign, input your affiliate link and run ads on YouTube. You have huge potential of getting huge commissions or revenue from using YouTube ad because of the brand awareness on YouTube. Unlike Google Ad, which is per click, but you can also try Google Ad because Google Ad is more targeted. Basically, Google will show the ads to audience for the keyword you are bidding, which is something great about Google Ads. You can also use Google Ads for promoting your affiliate links. But one thing about YouTube and Google Ads is expensive. If you're not the kind of affiliate marketer that makes 1k or 10k a month, I'm not sure you can be able to afford paying YouTube and Google Ads to promote your affiliate links. But regardless of that, these are like the top two advertising platform you can use to promote your affiliate link and grow high, because they give you tons of options to target multiple audience to generate tons of commission and sales to your affiliate link. The next one is Facebook ad, which is like the most popular ones that a lot of affiliate marketers have been using since 2010, and I'm pretty sure you know about it. And the Facebook ad, you need to be good at Facebook advertising, optimizing, targeting the right audience, scaling ads. If not, you'll not be able to convert your Facebook ad into a sale for your affiliate program. And we also know that Facebook has this kind of ban whereby they disable an ads account without notifying you for any issue. So, but for affiliate programs, depending on the affiliate program you pick, your affiliate program must match Facebook policy, or your ad will not be approved, or it will be approved and it will be banned later on. But regardless of that, Facebook is like the second that will rank as the best, because you have tons of targeting, like almost similar to Google Ads, but basically you are targeting interest and not keyword. That is why Google Ads beats Facebook ads in the targeting option for affiliate marketing. So the next one is as I've spoken about the Google ad, Facebook ad, and Pinterest ad. As you all know, Pinterest is another way to gain traffic. I've never tried Pinterest ads for affiliate marketing, but I've tried Pinterest organic traffic for affiliate marketing, and from my experience, I noticed that female related product, like women niche, like products under the women female industry, convert more, unlike when you use unlike other products, like and maybe like kitchen products, or any product that females use on a daily basis as an affiliate program converts more on Pinterest. So if you have the money to spare, you can try Pinterest ads. As Pinterest ads, the dashboard is similar to Facebook ads. I've seen the dashboard when I almost ran an ad, but I just couldn't because I was getting more conversion from Facebook ads. I was not really that much pushed to try Pinterest ads. So yeah, so the next one is pop-up ads, which is kind of like Adstera, Galaxion, basically all this pop-up under or pop-up net ad network, which a lot of bloggers, so if you know about this, you can use this to promote your affiliate link. But the downside is you have less option to target. Like you can't really target in depth the way you can target on YouTube ads and Google ads and Facebook ads and Pinterest ads. You don't really have that option. Most of the time the conversion tends to provide high quality traffic and conversions, but that's only the 18 plus industry, basically audience. In the adult industry, they tend to generate more traffic once you use pop-up ads. I've not tried any other industry except the adult industry for pop-up ads. And there's also tons of I wanted to recommend Reddit, but Reddit only performs well when you use organic traffic. I've never tried Reddit ads. I've only tried Reddit whereby I share my post to subreddit, which I've gotten conversion. I buy some upvotes, my post ranks, it reaches to the right audience. I post to the right subreddit and I get some sales. But Reddit is good for in the long term because it's basically an organic traffic, and I don't expect to get sales in the first few weeks, in the first 7 days, maybe like after 2 weeks. Once your once your post on the subreddit is getting more attention and attraction, then you'll be expecting to reap people clicking on the ad and converting to sales for the affiliate program you are promoting. Then I've talked about the paid side. Let me talk about the free side. The free side is, first of all, talk about Google, SEO, which is ranking, whereby you create a blog and you rank it. If you are new, if you are, you need to learn black hat SEO to be able to do this organic traffic for blogging, whereby you are promoting affiliate programs on your blog, and you want to make sure you want to rank as fast as possible on the blog. So you're for the keyword, and you need to be very good with using keyword with keyword research, which requires you to use SEMrush. You need to be able to use SEMrush. SEMrush and Ahrefs gives you access to fish out keywords that has low competition and high volume, or or transactional keywords that you can use to convert into sales for affiliate program. I'm pretty sure you guys know about website affiliate, whereby you promote product on your website, or you basically create a website, you make blog posts related to the affiliate program. The website aim is not to earn money from ad monetization, but from affiliate programs. So yeah, but you need to be good at the placards aspect. The other free traffic I would recommend is Reddit, which I've talked about a few minutes ago. The next one is on TikTok and YouTube. You see, TikTok is mind blowing. When TikTok first came out around 2019, I had a friend in Russia that was making 4K a month. He was basically promoting adult affiliates program. I was first surprised, like, how was he doing? Then I that was before TikTok passed their security system, whereby if you post an adult related content, they ban it within 24 hours, or even totally ban the account, or they ban the video immediately. Although there are still some people that kind of like have the loopholes of TikTok, which they are still gaining traffic. Basically, they post a test trap on TikTok, and they put a link in the bio of the TikTok, and convert it to sales. But the sales isn't as compared as to 3 years ago, when TikTok was still kind of like new and people were using it to convert. But if you know your ways on using TikTok, TikTok is like the number one organic free traffic that you can use to gather tons of affiliate sales, and scale to 10K in a month, which is possible. But you need to be good at understanding TikTok algorithm, and how to bypass their video verification, like to make them not delete your video that you are promoting. So the niches that work for TikTok are a lot, but the top niche are the entertaining, eye catching niches, which is the adult niche, the dating niche, or the health niche also works. But the health niche, you need to be able to use the right keyword so TikTok will push your video to the right audience, or if not, TikTok will just push your audience to random audience, which will not convert for you. And you also need consistency in organic traffic. You need to be posting continuously, non-stop. The other free traffic on for to promote your affiliate link is basically spamming on Facebook. But as you all know, if you spam too much on Facebook will limit you, saying you're violating their community guidelines. But that's why you need to have like 20 Facebook accounts. You spam like 20 posts different time, not same time, maybe like one post per day to different Facebook groups. But craft it in a way that it doesn't look like a spam. Craft it in a more innovative, informative, creative post, so it doesn't look like a spam. Have like 20 Facebook accounts and keep raising and repeat. You'll be getting traffic. Facebook is also an hot traffic place, using the organic way. Basically, you're not paying to show your ads, you're basically doing it organically. So it requires effort and consistency to promote your affiliate link. The next free one is YouTube. As we all know, YouTube created a way whereby if you're a new channel, you can't just put a link in your description. You need to bypass a verification, which is whereby you need to upload your ID card, or you do a video verification whereby Facebook, like, whereby YouTube sees your face, or you post like 50 content to grow the community of the YouTube. So I feel like the best way to can like post like 50 shorts, which are guaranteed to gain views. And then YouTube will give you the freedom to kind of like be able to add affiliate links in your YouTube channel description. So, and when that happens, you can just keep spamming it on YouTube. They won't do anything. Just make sure you're promoting a product that doesn't go against YouTube community guideline, or they'll ban. Like, you wake up in the morning and you're already banned. So just keep pushing content, mix the content with the affiliate link. Sometimes find an image of someone that doesn't exist and put it in the video to look like that's the person running the video. So it will look more of like a branded channel and not the automation channel that a faceless automation channel. So these are like the free traffic ways that I've tried, that I've done in the past. I hope this video is able to guide you on your affiliate marketing success to make more sales in this new year, and hit the 100k or 10k goal, whatever goal you have in mind, your affiliate marketing dream. So very soon we'll all buy Lambos and have a wonderful month.